Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of May. Taurus, your channel message is Aries. Aries rules the head. Aries also rules the Emperor. Remember, Taurus, you're the Empress. We have the Sun card, which rules the Leo. The Sun card can also be great news from an Aries. An Aries loves your reaction, or maybe getting something about a baby. A baby, okay? I'm not sure if your counterpart is telling you, listen to me, it's time to have kids. Sir. No. And we have the 8 of Wands. This could be something about somebody showing you baby pictures. A lot of baby pictures. Maybe there's something about baby pictures of you that you've never seen before. You're getting somebody have a baby picture of you, or a lot of pictures of you when you were a baby and you never seen them before. Where's your baby pictures? Something like that, okay? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. This could be something about the baby pictures of this Emperor. We're getting somebody's an Emperor. Very serious, very professional. We're getting something about them baby pictures. Either them embarrassed, them gonna show you. Maybe you're visiting their mom's house, and you know, especially white people, them always have them son, especially when they're proud of them son. And being proud of them son in Canada, it's all about having a good education, son. It's just keeping up being Canadian. And before I go into that, right, Spencer's you said engagement ring, and you're telling the public, what does the tariffs mean on engagement rings? We're here at Spencer's, we want to tell you that our engagement ring is going to be the same price. Sir, tariffs are here. People need to know it's a luxury to get engaged. Not any of these bitches is going to make it to fiancé. And at least 80% of the motherfucking fiancé population, Spencer's, it ain't going to last. They're going to be fucking before the aisle. Sex tapes going to be out now at the fucking receptions. Okay? Right? It's going to be shit. You need to make people know it's a privilege to get engaged. Talking about your dream is to be a wife. Bitch, you'll be a fiancé. Spencer's, the tariff. Listen to me. You can have rings at a certain price with the eligibility that you're Canadian. But suppose people get a trip to Niagara Falls from all over the world, and we don't know if the hydromancy is hitting them, them want to get engaged. Charge them. The rich is getting richer. And Spencer's are talking about we're not going to get a discount for Canadians. Anyways, especially white people who are very proud of them son, right? Yeah, them always have baby pictures in the house. Me getting, you see somebody baby pictures. A lot of baby pictures. We have the 9 of Cups. Yeah, and you're gonna be a fiancé. 9 of Cups. We're getting something about an engagement. Something about a baby. The 9 of Cups is an engagement, literally. Is this something about an engagement ring? We have the 4 of Wands. Okay, I'm getting something about an engagement. I'm getting something about a wedding, a marriage. I'm getting a huge celebration. It's huge. Somebody getting married, somebody getting engaged. 9 of Cups, 4 of Wands. We have the Queen of Wands. Yeah, this girl, this Sagittarius. She could be Aries, Leo. She get engaged. I'm not sure if this is a bridesmaid conversation. Okay. We have the Page of Wands, and ooh, we also have the 6 of Cups. I'm getting something about you get one ring. I don't know if you announce you're engaged. I'm getting all of a sudden your ex is confessing to you about, you know, I really should have made you my home girl, and I'm so sorry for fucking on you. And you found out I left me, but I wish you well. I don't know if your ex want to come at the wedding. I don't know if you're a girl and you have a man as a best friend and you have a husband. I get to you want a man to be seen, but him can't be a best man. If this is a girl, you see, this is why I don't have friends. So if you're a girl, they just say get engaged. I get to you have a best friend as a guy. You want the guy to come to your wedding. But you don't want the guy to be a spectator. You want him to be like there with you. He's a best friend. Yeah, but him can't be a part of the groom because he's not your husband friend, unless your husband is cool with that weird shit. And if that's not the case, then you can't be a bridesmaid because you're not a girl. So I'm getting something about right before the wedding, right before the engagement. This party Me getting this guy coming back and him a reconnect with you. Him a say, I'm so sorry. I don't know what it is. Somebody say you're engaged. When if the guy getting engaged to you, somewhat an engagement. I'm getting somewhat an engagement. Taurus. Oh no, I can't use this. It's deteriorating. The 9 of Cups is clarified by the Moon card. Okay. Me getting somebody already got married. Is this something about a ceremony? Me getting somebody already signed the paperwork already. Me getting the talk is let's do the celebration. When did already get married? When it was already married? Because the Moon card with the 9 of Cups, like when you get married in secrecy already, it don't have to be eloping. Because when you elope, you kind of run off like Romeo and Juliet. You don't elope and then run back to your parents' house. You elope and run off. That's what eloping is. Maybe if you got married already, the 4 of Wands is clarified by the Judgment. Me getting you already get married, and for some reason you're doing your wedding again. You're having 2 weddings. You're having your second wedding. I don't know. Making you talk about this marriage. You talk about this wedding. This is an engagement. The 9 of Cups is an engagement. The Queen of Wands is clarified by the Cancer. Okay, so was a police officer. Is a police officer getting married? Me getting so. I don't know if it's your ex married this girl and him want to rub it in your face. Him want you to say. Page of Wands, the Devil, yeah. Me getting something about your ex. Are you engaged? Me getting something about a police officer. Somebody's a police officer. I don't know if somebody has sent somebody in for see if they can have sex with you. Right before this guy come back to you. Right before this guy proposed to you. Or somebody saying, I don't know if I can be with you because of something you did in your past with a Sagittarius or a Capricorn. Okay, sir. You're going to judge me for the time frame of my life. I never blood clot know you. I did not know that 4 years ago, me would have to think about randomly meeting you and you would tell me the decision what me make 4 years ago, it don't line up with your morals. You know what else it don't line up with? Quantum fucking physics. The 6 of Cups is clarified by the Hangman. Is it that somebody get married? Do you really feel like it's okay to invite your ex-girlfriend to your wedding? Or your ex-boyfriend? I don't really feel like is this okay, people? Listen to me. I'm asking for a friend because I'm not locked up. Lock the fuck up. Marriage or prison. Woo! Marriage. Oh! Kids. Oh! We have shark. Baby. Responsibility. We have evil. Yeah, but I don't know what is this. That's like the life somebody promised you him give it to somebody else and make you watch. The devil is here. We have devil, we have evil. Somebody evil, you hear? Don't sign a document and don't get pregnant for evil people. Them just there for make your life a fucking hell. But your life can only be a hell if you give a fuck. If you don't give a fuck, you're supposed to be fine. We have Taurus. Taurus, this person, and it's Capricorn. So you know Capricorn play dirty. You're the Vatican, right? So you're supposed to know how low the dirty go. How low the Capricorn will go. How low the devil will go. Right, Taurus? It's okay. And we have Scorpio. I feel like a Scorpio has your back. And if Scorpio don't have your back, I'm getting you're the type of person to kind of look death straight in the face. You're not really scared. There's no intimidation needed. As long as you have your holy water and your incense, you're supposed to be fine. We to leave it here, Taurus. Yeah. Until next time. Bye.